Today we are working on Excel Lesson 1, the 7th lesson, switching between workbooks. So this is what you should have opened up. Step 1 says click the View tab. So click the View tab. In the Windows group at the right, click Switch Windows right here. Click Travel Expense Calculator 1. This workbook should now be displayed on top of the other workbook. Point at the Excel button on the taskbar at the bottom of the screen, so right down here. Click the price quote 0630, so hover over that, click that. This workbook should now be displayed on top of the other workbook. That is how you switch between. Submit it, be a green check, and this completes the lesson switching between workbooks.